Uwi na tayo guys. Sunduin muna natin yung aming mga princess at family day today. Bukas may pasok na naman sila. Okay, see you later. Ayan. Sunduin na natin yung dalawa. Lapit na kami sa balay. Nasakyan din natin dati yan, no? Tapos dito tayo baba. Ano ba? 527. Kaso ang daming niikutan. Dito kami dati nakatira. Yung dating bahay na kuya.
The destination is on your left. Alright.
Titingin nga ako ng ano, mailbox. Wala na yung package ko. Di hanggang ngayon. Wala. May parcel. I-type mo na to, 3803. Calgary Vale. Hinta lang ako ng airbox. Ayan na sila. Cute, gali pala. Here's the two girls. My princesses. Are you excited?
Look at my dolphin.
She has dolphin.
In
Whoosh.
1.7 kilometers, turn left onto 97th Street Northwest.
Bukas pa sana kami mag-dinner doon. Kaya lang magre-review si ate. Ayaw niya lumabas bukas.
We're gonna go to dinner at the
Yes.
restaurant.
Oh.
Mommy, have you faced the Mom, we're going to a restaurant, a new restaurant, and we're gonna go to all of the restaurants.
So, we're going to a Chinese
Ah,
restaurant.
we already been there.
No, it's a different one. Yeah. Just wait.
There's a lot of Chinese restaurant here.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Ay, sos. Ang ganda na. Nang sikat ng araw, pwede nang mag,
Oh my God! I wanna go
Dum-
to that park.
Ay, sos. Punta nang mag-park-park. And lake.
I don't have any here.
Yung mga nearby lakes lang. Muna.
Yes. Yay!
Alright.
So, dito
Oh,
kami.
that's so cute.
Sa Beijing Dim Sum and Seafood Restaurant. Picturean mo nga yung ganyan niya. Ay, mamaya. No, not required. Nakuha na mo, ate? Para pang title ko. Thumbnail. Saan tayo? Meron dyan?
This is the restaurant that we're going to.
Yeah, I reserved.
Like this one.
Yeah, I have a reservation.
We're going to every restaurant.
Yeah.
All of the
One at a time, not all.
Wait. All of the restaurants.
Yeah, one at a time.
Are you not joking with
No, I'm not, Bobby.
Ah.
Somebody's hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go, guys. Tayo magdi-dinner. Family day. Uy, ang cute nitong sasakyan ng Honda Civic na maliit.
Kunin lang si Madam Guada sa Oh, careful.
What
Oops.
is that?
Okay. Let's go. I have a reservation, sir. Ito kami guys sa Beijing Dim Sum and Seafood Restaurant. Dito na kami sa Beijing.
So good.
Oh, see? I told you. Ang dami. Hindi, naka-reserve naman tayo. I have a reservation 7 p.m.
Okay, right? 4 people, right?
4, yeah. Thank you. Here's ate. We're patiently waiting for our order, but she's also patiently waiting for her order. What did you order?
Noodles. My shoes.
Her beautiful shoe.
Daddy, come with me. I'm scared. There's a giant crab over there behind the chair. Uh-oh. Daddy, I'm scared. But Mommy told me. Oh my God. Now I wanna see. What is that?
Oh, my baby is so hungry now. Are you hungry? Wala pa yung order namin, guys. Hungry na ang mga kiddos. So, ito pa lang yung dumadating. Soup and yung aming squid. Oh. Tayo. Vegetable and rice. Yeah, bigyan mo si Priyan. Ayun. Yung vegetable. Ay, ito. Yung noodle. You don't want? So, Daddy, can you get the noodle? Ito na ibang dumpling. They don't have a different one. That's the only one they have. Lotus leaf daw. Malaki yan. Sa atin kasi banana leaf ginagamit natin, no? Sa kanila, lotus leaf. You want rice? So may baon tayo bukas. Ay, may baon pa ako bukas. Marami matitira dyan. Matutok sa inyo, babe. puno ko sana kami. I told you. Sabi, hey, wait, try lang. Okay. For the dessert only.
Yes. That's my favorite.
Ayan, almost done na guys. Grabe, busog na ako.
I just finished cooking my food.
Ang dami pa. Ang dami yung order namin. Si Bri gusto pang, she still wanted to go to another restaurant, she said. But she's already full. Next time again, right? Is that good? Can you give mama? Take out. Ang dami na may take out guys, oh. Natakam na naman kami ng sobra, tapos di na naman naubos. But it's okay. Ubusin lang namin to. We're done guys. Ay, si ate hindi pa pala. So, iti-take out natin tong mga to dahil sayang. Para di na ako magluluto bukas. Diba, Daddy? Busog. Favorite ni ate to. Mahilig siya ng mga ganyan, mga beef with sauce, beef broccoli, mga ganon. This is Baby Bree's fortune cookie. It says, good things come to those who wait. Be patient. How about you, Daddy? Kay ate? Kay ate naman. Good things make life better. Yay.
Is it okay if I'm not patient?
Lagay mo na nga doon.
I can still eat
Wait,
it.
Daddy. What's the taste? So this is my fortune cookie. It says, develop some flexibility in your point of view. Oh, this is good. Ano sa'yo? Ba't di mo pa binuksan? Ay, meron pa. Dalawa. You inspire others with your principles. Nice. Oh, wala na guys. Nag-take out na kami. Lusog-lusog. Okay, we're done guys. We're going home. No, we will not go there. Ba't di daw tayo pumunta doon?
Huwag man naman yung bisita ng 50 years old. Parang mga 70 naman yung
Mama, why can't we go?
bisita ng mga 50 years old.
Brie.
Mama, why can't we go there? Mama, why can't we go there?
We're not invited there.
Why is it we're not invited?
We don't know them.
It's Chinese.
Oo. Diba, mga intrimitida kami, no? Tapos yung babaitang to naman, bakit daw hindi kami pupunta doon? Because we're not invited. Why? Oh, you go there to Daddy. Uwi na guys. Thank you. So this is Beijing. So, thank you guys for watching. That's our family day. Till our next vlog. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Please watch our video.
Sarap pa rin dun.
Starting route to 3855 Millwoods Road Northwest.
So we made
Proceed to Calgary Trail Northwest, then turn left.
Kaingay naman ni Toyota. Nagsasalita si Baby Brie. What did you say? No one is?
no one is watching our videos,
So please,
we both can watch.
please watch and subscribe
Please watch and subscribe
Our channel.
our channel.
our channel.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.